A volcano doesn't erupt, it snores, loudly. The nearby village tries everything, nose strips, lullabies, earplugs. Nothing works until they give it a teddy rock. Silence. The villagers in the small village, with their silly nose strips and musical instruments, attempt to play lullabies, determined to calm the volcano's noisy slumber. As night falls, they wear earplugs under the starlit sky, yawning and appearing sleepy, still hopeful that the volcano will quiet down. Around a large bonfire, the villagers shared stories and laughter, the volcano snoring loudly in the background, creating a humorous contrast to their cheerful atmosphere. A little girl kneels before the volcano, holding the teddy rock close to her heart, her eyes wide with anticipation as moonlight softly illuminates her hopeful expression.